on the 3rd of January 2024, that is with the dawn of the new year, and the attack shocked Iran. Iran has never suffered attack of this magnitude, intensity and scale since the revolution in Iran in 1979. Iran initially blamed Israel and the United States because that's the easiest thing for any country to do. You blame your enemy. This particular terrorist attack in Iran was staged by ISIS or the Islamic State. The terrorist attack in Iran killed 91 people and it injured 284 people. The Islamic State or ISIS is constantly targeting Iran because the Iranian government was steadfastly against ISIS. In fact, there is one entity in Iran called the IRGC, the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps. And its external wing is called Al-Quds Force. It was commanded by a general called Qassim Soleimani. This Qassim Soleimani created capabilities to fight and dismantle ISIS side by side with the Russian forces and with the American forces, as well as Syrian and Iraqi forces, because ISIS was such a powerful entity. ISIS has never forgotten Iran's role in dismantling ISIS. And when the 4th death anniversary of General Qassim Soleimani, the IRGC Al-Quds commander, was being marked in Iran, ISIS struck 2 suicide bombers of ISIS. They were 2 brothers, they attacked. These ISIS members came from a group called the Islamic State Khorasan province. So ISKP has grown in great significance in Afghanistan, in Pakistan and in Iran. And this group will continue to mount attacks against the Taliban, against the Pakistan government, against Iran, and over time, if this group is not controlled, they will mount attacks in India, Bangladesh, in Maldives, in Sri Lanka, in Nepal, in other countries also. So it is in the larger interests of Iran, the United States and other countries to work together to dismantle ISIS, because I have seen a revival of ISIS. The eyes have been taken off ISIS, and during this period ISIS have re-emerged as a very strong entity. Despite Iran maintaining security vigilance, today the United States and Iran has agreed that the attack that Iran suffered with the dawn of the new year was staged by ISIS. And that is the first point, the very beginning of working together to fight a common threat.